Hey there, friends and family, and whoever. Hey, check this out. My life just changed this week. This is my new baby. 69 convertible GTO, California car, built in the Fremont plant and sold in Culver City. Eventually, years and years later, somehow it was in someone's garage in Culver City. That's where we picked it up. I want to document the car how it is as we have it. So this deal was not expected. This happened luckily and quickly. The first thing I did was, like any good GTO guy would do, you come up and you check your VIN. And I don't know if we can see it, but the VIN is it's a 24267. Telling me that it is a GTO, it is a convertible, and it had the Z for Fremont, so I knew it was California. But so far, I'm really excited. It has all the original parts, well, minus a few. Let's not, get carried away. But look, the interior is not bad for a convertible. Sometimes these things sit outside. People let them go and the interior is toast. This is not. This has got the black interior. This was originally espresso brown, espresso brown, top Pontiac color. When I was looking at the pictures, I saw this, but I didn't see that. But this is tilt steering, which is pretty cool. I've had a few GTOs. This is my maybe fifth or sixth. Didn't have any with tilt steering. Didn't have any with convertible. So as you see, there's the up and down switch. Came with a clock. No rally gauges. I'm not going to turn this thing into a judge. Don't ask. This is not going to be a Ram Air. This thing was, have the little build sheet, have the PHS Pontiac paperwork. It was an AC car. Also had a safety track rear end, which is nice. I think it's the 355 gear. Turbo 400 trans. Stock standard 350 horse 400. We're going to look at that in a sec. And the motor, when I walked up on the car, there was a guy working on it. He was going to try to unfreeze the motor. Supposedly it's locked up. I told him to stop. And I bought the car the way it was. So right now, as far as I know, the motor is frozen, but all these signs tell me that this car was running not that long ago. And I talked to the tow truck driver that originally got this car. He said it was in kind of like an old mansion style house. The people had 4 cars out back. This one was in the garage with a bunch of stuff over top of it. So let's hope it's pretty good. So far when I've looked at it, there's some surface rust and the panels don't align that well, and the hood's got the classic kink in the middle, but I'm not complaining. Who's complaining about this? Nobody. So 69 goat convertible. My favorite color is Verdoro green, so it's going to be a Verdoro green black interior convertible at some point, hopefully. No, not hopefully, definitely. We're going to do this. So anywho, know what everybody's looking for. We want this motor shot, so here we go. Hold on.